Hi, welcome to Unity Care. My name is Andre Chapman. I'm Director of Unity Care and CEO of the Unity Care Group. Unity Care is a nonprofit, emancipated group home that caters to boys between the ages of 12 and 17 who are either dependent or delinquent but are capable of functioning in an open community setting. Our main goal is to treat, develop, teach, and nurture adolescent teenagers so they may realize their full human potential. We at Unity Care are providing positive, eye-opening opportunities to at-risk youth within our current program.
Our day at Unity Care begins at 6 a.m. with the graveyard staff who comes in at 11 p.m. to 7 a.m., wakes the youth for their daily schedule, which consists of their personal hygiene, cleaning their rooms, doing their morning chores, and getting dressed for school. The youth are encouraged to assist the graveyard staff with the preparation of breakfast. The graveyard staff is responsible for making sure the youth have completed their morning's chores and are now ready for their day. By 6:45 a.m., breakfast is served, and the youth are encouraged, as always, to give blessing before eating breakfast. When breakfast and their morning chores are completed, the youth are on their way to school. By 7 a.m., the youth are ready for school, made their lunches, and have grabbed their backpacks. And with the assistance of the graveyard staff, the youths are dropped off at the bus stop or simply taken directly to school. The facility manager who is in charge of the overall operations of each facility has arrived to oversee the daily schedule. The facility manager serves as a liaison between the group home and the public. The 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. swing shift staff arrives at the facility, and his first responsibility is to check the computer and come up to speed on the daily schedule. Also by 3 p.m. the youths have arrived from school and have begun their study hour, which is between 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. During study hour, we provide a tutor for each facility that will assist each youth with their homework needs. For those youth that do not have any homework, they are required to read the daily newspaper and write about what they have read. We encourage all youth to participate in after-school sports as a way of developing self-esteem and learning how to work with others for a common goal. By 5 p.m., once all the youth have completed the homework assignments, they are then allowed free time before dinner. During this time, they are allowed personal free time to participate in activities such as playing basketball, watching TV, signing out, or simply hanging out in their rooms. Each youth has an individualized treatment plan that is specific to his individualized needs. Several times a week, our social worker and clinical psychologist will participate in individualized and family therapy sessions to help improve unification goals for those particular youth. For those youth that do not have unification goals, we prepare them for emancipation by the age of 18. Therapy is a major component of our program that deals head-on with certain issues or problems facing each youth. By 6:45 p.m., the swing shift staff begins to prepare dinner, along with the participation of the youth. We encourage each youth to participate in the preparation of dinner as part of their treatment goals. Once dinner is complete and all the youth are required to sit down and have dinner as in any normal family environment. During dinner, all radios, televisions, and any distractions are turned off so each youth understands the importance of having a nurturing meal. When dinner is complete, each youth is required to complete their evening chores. Evening chores consist of cleaning their rooms, cleaning the kitchen, and the overall appearance of the house. After the chores are completed, the youth have some free time again. During that free time, they may talk on the telephone, listen to music, or simply write letters to their girlfriends. The daily chore board will detail the specifics of each youth's responsibility and their current phase level within the current program. This chore board will detail how the youth is currently doing within that program for that week. By 8:30 p.m., the youths have what we refer to as rap session, which is an open forum discussion on specific topics with a positive nature. During this time, we emphasize problem-solving skills that allow each youth alternatives to dealing with certain issues that affect their day in and day out activities. By 9 p.m., the youths are beginning to prepare themselves for bedtime with a fresh start to a new day. As the swing shift staff does final bed checks, the youths are tucked in and encouraged to have a good night's rest. By 9:30 p.m., lights are then turned out. And the swing shift staff will then do final bed checks. And during this final bed checks, the swing shift staff will go back to the computer and detail into the computer certain pertinent information regarding that youth's day. This concludes a day in the life of Unity Care.